My last video, George Nweke was given so many accusations. Now, Edison have replied. I said, George Nweke, make sure you have evidence because you must prove all your accusation. Now, Edison say, meet me in court. Mr. Edison say he have contacted his lawyer. So, Mr. Nweke, George Nweke, all your evidence about how Governor Simi Fubara give bags of money to Edison to destroy House of Assembly. Gather all your evidence. Go to court because you are going to meet him in court. Listen how Mr. Edison reply this accusation.
Let's take the allegations one after the other because these allegations are heavy, relating to arson, relating to issues that one will find very, very disturbing. Let me take it one after the other. I'll play the tape again of the allegations of arson that you masterminded alongside in collusion with Governor Fubara. That is what he alleges. Let me play it to our viewers to understand or listen. This is the point where he alleged that the demolition and the arson on the State of Assembly was masterminded by yourself and Governor Fubara. Take a listen, everyone.
Not sacked. Neither was I pressured to resign. I did so willingly from the depth of my heart. However, as an insider and a key player in the administration, and by my position, who worked closely with the suspended governor, it would be unfair for me to keep mute. It all started with the State House of Assembly, where the governor, Sir Fubara, directed his chief of staff to burn down the assembly in a way to avert the suspected impeachment. That evening, Edison was in Government House with many of his boys, including the former chairman of Obiakbo, one Mr. Chijoke Ihunwo. I was there with them when a bag of money was handed over to Edison for that operation, though I did not actually know what it was meant for or the amount inside. I want to tell Rivers people today, the House Assembly was complex. In Moscow Road was clearly brought down by the do of Edison and some of his cohorts.
He landed to say under the instruction of Governor Fubara. Now, let me allow you to respond to this. Why, based on the allegations, why would you do such a thing, Honorable here?
Well, I'll not join issues completely with Mr. George Nweke because I've already instructed my lawyers to file issues of criminal libel against George Nweke, and I hope he's very prepared to come and substantiate this claim and these allegations, if it were. But just to buttress a little light, you know, because we're in the process of making peace, and Mr. President has already intervened, the father of the nation, who we respect very much. And mind you, this interview, I'm not holding brief from my principal, the governor of Rivers State, elected by Rivers people. But it's very important to clarify that I was not, I had no hand, that was a part of the burning down of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Like everyone else, I woke up in the early hours of 30th of October 2023 to hear of the burning down of the Rivers State House of Assembly. And it's unfortunate that George Nweke, to satisfy his hunger for emergency riches at his age, having served over 35 years, can be bullied into making such allegations. And clearly to note that the world has seen that George Nweke was not speaking from his right frame of mind.
Mr. Edison is an intelligent man. You see how he replied him without insulting anybody. So we will see the developing story. We will follow this story. We will see the end. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel. Let's build this channel together. Thank you.